Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward but incredibly useful: how to deposit a check online in 2025. With banking apps getting smarter and more secure, this process is quicker than ever, saving you trips to the bank and helping you manage your money on the go. Whether you're a busy professional or just tech curious, stick around. This guide is for you. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of your bank's mobile app installed on your smartphone. In 2025, most banks use advanced features like biometric login, so you'll probably use your fingerprint or facial recognition to get started. Once you're logged in, head over to the Deposits or Mobile Check Deposit section. It's usually right on the homepage for easy access. Now, grab the check you want to deposit. The next step is to take clear photos of both the front and back. Your app might guide you with on-screen prompts, like ensuring the check is well lit and aligned properly. Pro tip: in 2025, AI-powered tools can automatically detect issues, such as blurry images or endorsement errors, so double-check any warnings it gives you. After snapping the photos, you'll need to enter a few details, like the amount of the check and your account number. This is a quick security step to verify everything. Once that's done, hit the Submit button. The app will process it instantly, and you'll get a confirmation notification, often within seconds. One more thing. Always endorse the check on the back before photographing it, just like you would in person. And if you run into any hiccups, like the app not recognizing the check, contact your bank's support. They're usually available 24/7 via chat. This method is not only convenient but also secure, with encryption protecting your info. There you have it. Depositing a check online in 2025 is a breeze. Give it a try next time and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.